Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. Join your palms, close your
Jai
eyes.
Gurudev, ma'am.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमसि सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि अज्ञानविराचलचलाकया तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः
Yes, my dear children. Jai Gurudev. Vani ma'am, audible? Where?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dear children. Good morning. Yes. Now use the chat box and write down today's date and day. Yes. Yes, start writing. Yes, very good. I got first. First, then the Rekha. Very good, my dear. I can see the chat box. My dear children, use the chat box. Yes. And definitely big applause for those who are using chat box also. Okay. Yes. Yes, absolutely right. Today is 14th. Date is 14. Month is June. And year is 21. Yes. And the day is Monday. Very good. Absolutely right. Yes. Good, my dear children. And happy morning. Happy Monday to all of you. Now tell me the which subject we are going to have now. Subject name. Yes, very good. Maths. Very good. Welcome to the maths session. Yes, my dear children. Yes, over to Vani, ma'am.
Thank you, Shahin ma'am. Okay. Happy morning, children. Jai Gurudev. Yes, we are starting this week with happy morning, right? Okay. So all of you had your breakfast first? That I wanted to know. Before sitting your class, please have your breakfast and also have enough water. Take enough water, okay? It's very, very, very good for your health. Okay, children? So, before sitting to your class, please have your breakfast and also have enough water. Okay, children? Okay, get ready. Today, math subject. We are going to learn math subject, and in that, what we are going to do? We are going to play a game. We'll start our session with a small game. Are you all ready? Yes, I know, because everyone are like to play game. Okay, so now here it's your game. Now see here, I will give you few minutes, children. All of you, please get ready. I will give you few minutes to observe the screen. And the next, what you have to do? You are going to spot the error. Error means mistake. Okay, you have to find out the mistake. Later, I will ask you a question. From that, you have to find out the mistake. First, I will give you few minutes time. I will give you few minutes time. I have kept few things on the table. Look at the screen carefully. Look at the screen carefully. I have kept few things on the table. Now you have to observe all the things quietly for few minutes. Come on, observe. Yes, the screen will be visible, I think so, for everyone, right? Yes, okay. Now the few minutes got over. Now here comes your question. Okay? Right. So, Shaheen ma'am, can we call one child for this?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Brinda of 2D.
Ma'am.
Brinda,
Yeah.
happy morning, good morning,
Hi.
Jai Gurudev.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Good morning, dear. Here comes your first question. I think so you would have observed all the items which I kept on the table, right?
Yes.
Okay, right. Now here the first question. The comb is the second object in the row. Is it right? The statement is right. The comb is the second object in the row.
No, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Then what it is? Then what I kept?
Comb.
No, what I kept in the second row? What was there?
Key.
Key, exactly. Very good. Comb is in which place?
Third.
Wow, very good. Good observation, my dear Brinda. Very good. Super,
Thanks.
Karna. Yeah, exactly what you said is right. Okay. The second question. Shaheen ma'am, can we call the other child? Next child?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Shriyesh of 2E. Shriyesh of 2E. Yes.
Shriyesh.
Very good,
Yes. Jai Gurudev, dear. Now here comes your second question. There are 6 objects on the table. I'll repeat. Don't be in hurry.
Oh, five, ma'am.
Very good, exactly. How much I kept?
5.
5. Exactly. Can you spell 5? Number name?
F-5-E-E.
Wow, exactly. Srihesh. Very good, exactly. Your answer is correct, Anna. Thank you. Yes, I have kept 5 objects, but the statement here is there are 6 objects on the table, which is wrong. Very good. Thank you. Okay, Shaheen ma'am, the next question. To the next child.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Lohit of 2F.
Yes, ma'am.
Lohit, good morning, dear.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kanna. Here comes your third question. Don't be in a hurry. Please listen. The toothbrush is the first object on the table. The toothbrush is the first object on the table. Is it so?
No, ma'am.
Exactly. Then what I kept? Then what I kept? Toothpaste. Exactly. Lohit. Superb, Kanna. Your answer is right. Toothpaste was the first object which I kept. Very good. Thank you. All your answers are superb. So it shows your observation power. Okay, very good observation. Thank you, children. Good. Okay, so we have completed our game. Now we'll move to today's topic. Okay, right.
Vani ma'am, 1 second. Yes. Vani ma'am. And we are going to give big star and applause to everyone, those who are using chat box, and many of them, they are not using chat box, but they are giving correct answer. So big applause to them. Yes, my dear children.
Very good. Very
Okay,
good.
you have to
Super.
give the answer. And yes, and write down in one notebook all the answers. So at last 5 minutes, we are going to give you time. Yes, last 5-10 minutes, it's time for you. You have to show your notebook. Today's practice. Okay, what you have practiced. So write down the answers. Okay, if you are unable to type in the chat box, you can write in the notebook. And last 10 minutes, we are going to give you. Okay, you have to show the notebook. Okay. Yes, my dear children. So each and every one should write in the notebook. Yes, star will be given and marks is given for them also. Okay. So everyone has to, yes, write in the notebook. Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Pani ma'am, continue.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shahid ma'am. Very good. Okay, children. Now we are going to see numbers up to 999, lesson number 1. We are going to revisit one more time this first chapter. Okay, children, with the classwork notes, with the CW, classwork notes, how to write, how to start, what to write, where to write. Okay, all that we are going to see. Okay, children. So, all of you listen carefully. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Okay, here comes your notebook. See, exactly your notebook looks like this, correct? Okay, now what you all have to do? Immediately after getting your classworks, the first page, first of all, you should cover your notebook, okay? Yes, children? First, you have to cover your, yes? Yes, Kanna?
Max, I am fully
Yes, Kanna?
finished.
What you finished? What you have completed?
Max,
Max, exactly. Wow, super. Very nice. What's your name?
Kamachi ma'am.
Kamakshi. Okay. Often you're giving answers, Kamakshi. Okay, Kanna. Right. Be in mute, Kanna. Be in mute. Yes. Those see, everyone have to know this. Okay. All the children should know how to start your classwork note. Everyone would have known because first standard you would have right, but still I'm just revisiting now. Okay, once again. Now see, the first point, what you have to do, you should cover your notebook. Okay, label it, write your name, everything in front. Then after that, immediately take the first page and write name. Write name in the left side, and class, subject, followed by roll number, term, next is school. Okay, these are all should be in the left side. And your right side, what you have to do? You have to write your details, right? Your details. You have to write your name, class, which class are you in, and which section you belongs to, and subject, math, CW, and roll number, term. Since we are starting now, you have to write first term in Roman letter. Then school, you can write in short form, MVM. Maharishi Vidya Mandir, MVM. Okay, these are all the details. It should be there. It is must in your first page. And also, I just wanted to underline, your handwriting should be neat. Your handwriting should be neat. Okay, so please try to practice writing neatly. Okay, children, and these are all the things that you have to enter in the first page. You have to write in the first page. Now see here, the second page. Don't worry, children. Once you get the notebooks, you can start all your works. I'm just telling you how you have to write the classwork notes. Okay, right. Now see, everything starts with date. Now today also, before starting our session, what we did? We have did with our date, day, everything. So the same way here, look at the left corner. You have to start with the date. Whenever you are writing, that day, date you have to write, and that day also you should write. Supposingly you are starting Friday, means you can write Friday, and you can write on that particular date. And then lesson number 1, the chapter name Must. Lesson number 1, numbers up to 999. And followed by Roman letter. What is the first topic that you are going to write? Write the numbers from 100 to 150. 100 to 150. 100 to 150. Okay, numbers. Again, I'm repeating. Numbers. It's not number names. Okay, so you're going to write all that. See, in a beautiful handwriting, with a beautiful handwriting. See here, first you have to write in the first column and leave the next column and start with the next column. Then only it will look good. Your book, your notebook will be beautiful. Okay, right. So this is how you have to start with your classwork notes. Yes. Now, in this first chapter, numbers up to 999, we are going to see some important points. We are going to see some important points on number names. On number names. Okay, children. Now listen, what is the important points that we are going to see? Yes, here comes. Most of the children will make mistake or will get confused in this 40 or 40. Which is right? 40 or 40. Come on. All of you, come on, chat. Type in the chat box. 40 or 40. Which is right?
Yes, Vanima, they are giving the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Big applause to everyone. Yes, many of them they are giving answer. Yes,
Yes.
you
Now,
can write in the
here
class note also. No problem. We will see. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Here I wanted to keep important point here is you have to pronounce it correctly. 40. When you are pronouncing 40, the automatically spelling will go wrong. Understood, children? So that only here, especially we just make this slide. Okay, made this slide. So 40 is the right answer and right pronunciation. F-O-R-T-Y. Don't make mistake and don't get confused while you're writing your exam also and in CW notebook. Okay, so pronounce it correctly so that you will spell it correctly. Okay, 40. Then also, see here, in this slide, how do you spell 90? How do you spell 90? Here also, many of you will make mistake and will get confused. N-I-N-E-T-Y or N-I-N-T-Y, which is right? Come on, give me in the chat box. Always remember 9. What is the 9 spelling? N-I-N-E. 90 T-Y, just add into it. That's all. 90 is the right answer. Shahin ma'am, are we getting any answers from the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. Correct answer. Everyone is
Very
writing
good.
correctly. Yes, 90
Superb.
spelling.
Very good, children.
Right.
Very good, very good. So please don't get confused in this. So that only we made this slide. 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90 is the right answer. Very good, children. Super. Now here comes, write the number names for the given numbers. Write the number names for the given numbers. Okay, the first one I'm just going to do for myself, 123. So I just made it here, O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-H-R-E-E, 3, 123. Now, I'm just wanted to call one child from, yes ma'am, Shahin ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Deekshita of 2D. Deekshita. I repeat, Deekshita of 2D. Are you there? Okay, move on to the next.
Good day, ma'am. Dikshita, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Dikshita. Jai Gurudev Dikshita. Okay, here comes your
Good day,
question.
ma'am.
Okay, read the second number. Read the second number. What is that?
150.
Ah. Yes.
100 and
Hmm. Yes, Kanna.
158.
Exactly, 158 is the right answer. I want you to give me in the number name also. Can you spell it? What is on spelling?
O
Okay.
E.
Okay. Very good. 100.
H U
Okay. Okay. Okay.
E
Okay.
R E
Very good.
D.
Exactly. Superb. Next.
F I
Okay. Okay. Okay.
T H
Very good. 50. 50. FIF.
F I F T Y
Hey, very good, Kanna. Super. 50. Okay, then.
E I
Okay.
G
Okay.
H T.
Okay, very good. Superb, Dikshita. 158. Very good. Exactly. Here comes your star. Right
Thank
spelling.
you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Kanna. Thank you, dear. Welcome, Kanna. Okay. Yes. The next question, 164. 164. I have done with for myself. Then I'm just going to call the other child. Shahin ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sudarshan Prasad of 2E.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudarshan Prasad. Here comes your question, Kanna. Please read the fourth one. Fourth number.
136.
Is it so? How to read properly?
100.
Read it once again.
131.
31. Slow. Don't be in hurry.
36.
Ah,
136.
exactly. Correct, Kanna. Correct, Sudarshan. 136 is the right answer. But I want you to give me the spelling also. Come on.
Spell பண்ணு
1.
What is this? Okay.
spelling
Okay. 100.
100.
spell பண்ணு
Spelling.
H
Very good.
U
Okay.
T N
HUN. Okay.
D
Okay.
R
Okay.
E
Okay.
D
Very good. 100. Okay. Then
T H
okay. TH.
T
TH.
R
I.
I R
Okay.
E
T. 30. 30. TY. Very good. Okay. Then what is the ones place?
6 is
6.
What is the spelling for that?
6 spelling சொல்லு
6.
Try.
XIX 6.
Exactly, Sudarshan. XSIX. Now see here, 136 is the right answer. Here comes your star, Sudarshan. Very good, Kanna. Good try. Very good. Keep practicing. Okay, welcome. Keep practicing the number name, dear. Keep practicing. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
the next one. Okay, Kanna. 191. 191. 100. When your turn comes, you can answer, Kamakshi. Yes, 191. Okay, so the next one, 145. So who can give me? I want everyone to give me in the chat box now this time. 145. Come on, type it in the chat box. I'm going to write here. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 40. 40. Shaheen ma'am, are they giving right answers in the chat box? 40 spelling?
Yes. We are
F-O-R-T-Y.
getting answer. Spelling is correct.
Yes.
40 spelling. Very good. Very good, children. 40 spelling.
45.
correct.
Very good. Superb. 145 is the right answer. Okay. Thank you, children. Those who are giving answers in the chat box. Very good. Superb. Okay. Now here comes some key points. Okay, children. Thanks for your answers. Now, please listen. All of you, listen carefully because here also you have to focus a lot. Key points in place value. Key points means something important points again. Okay. In place value, you have to focus in one thing. Now see. Yes. 0. 0. We have learnt already place value and face value. Okay. We have already learnt place value and face value. Through one story. Correct? Through a story. Yes. Mother and daughter. They will they will be in the at home. They will be next teacher and student. I want answer from chat. I want answer in the chat box. Anyone remember that character name? What is the mother name and what is the daughter name? Place value and face value we have learned through a story. Any one child, can you type it in the chat box, or otherwise those who remember, please give me in the chat box what is the character name, what is the mother name and what is the daughter name. Shaheen ma'am, are we getting answer? We have learned this
Yes, ma'am.
in the month of
Yes,
April.
Sarah.
Sarah, wow, good. Which child ma'am? Okay, good. Yes, what is the daughter
Yes,
name?
many of them they are giving answer.
Very good. Daughter name? Sona, mother name, and Dara. Right? Okay, very good, children. Very good. I'm superb. I'm so excited to see all the answers in the chat box. Very good. So, good. Now here, in this place value, we have to remember one thing, that 0. When 0 comes in, the place value of ones or tens, just you should blindly, or you should close your eyes and just write the 0 as it is. Okay, don't get confused, because the place value of 0 in a number is always 0. Okay, children, so don't get confused, don't get confusion in this. So whenever and wherever, which place, whether the 0 is in ones place or whether the 0 is in tens place, when you got that 0 in that, you should go with writing the same number as it is. The place value of 0, the place value of 0 in a number is always 0. Now see the example. In 307, now look at the example. In 307, 0 is at tens place. 0 is at tens place. So the place value of 0 in 307 is 0 tens, because we don't have anything there. Through abacus also we have learnt 0 means we will not find any beads in the tens place. So you should just write as it is 0 in the tens place. Okay, 300 0 in tens place, write as it is 0, and in ones place 7. So 307. Okay, children. Here I wanted to tell you one thing. Please remember, whenever 0 applies in ones place or tens place, you just write as it is 0. Okay, Kanna? Right. Now the next one. Yes, fast we'll move. Fill in the blanks. Okay, in the number, the place value and the face value we are going to see. Okay, right. Shaheen ma'am, can we call one child?
Yes, ma'am. Chalo. Mitresh of 2F. 2F Mitresh. Come fast, my dear. Time is very less. Come, only 15 minutes left.
Mitresh,
Yes.
here comes your
Connected?
question, Kanna. Yes, Mitresh. Here comes your question. In the number 406, the place value of 4 is what? The place value of 4 is what? Yes? Little louder. 100 is the right, correct? Yes. Now look at the second one. In the number 406, the face value of 4 is what? The face value of 4 what?
100.
Face value. Mitresh, face will remain same wherever you are. Your face will not get changed. So think that and answer me. 406. Face value of 4 what? Kanna, little bit louder. Yes, Kanna? Huh?
Yes, he gave the answer, ma'am.
Oh,
It's
4.
not audible properly.
It's not
4.
audible
Yes.
one. Okay, 4 is
Yes.
the right answer. Very good, ma. Very good, Mitresh. Thank you. Go and mute. Now, the next one. In the number 982, come on children, all of you, please give your answers in the chat box. I'll do here. In the number 982, the place value of 8, the place value of 8, tens, okay? Place, because which place 8 is? 8 is in tens place. Very good. Now, look at the D's. In the number 982, the face value of 8, the face will remain same. The face will not get changed. Right, Shaheen ma'am, are we getting answers? 8 is 8 only.
Yes.
Okay, in the number.
Yes.
Okay, very good children. Very good. Those who are giving right answers in the chat box, very good children. All of you are getting stars here. Okay. In the number 210, the place value of 0, the place value of 0 is in ones place. 0 is in ones place. Okay, children. So, this is how you have to do in your exams also and also in your CW notebook. Okay, right. Okay, move to Shaheen ma'am.
Yes, my dear children. Thank you, Vani ma'am. Yes, now the next topic is ascending and descending order. Already you have read about this. Okay, the very important point. Yes, ascending means yes, small to big, and descending is big to small. Okay, yes. Yes, the important point which we have to discuss is comparison. Yes, so how we are going to compare ascending and descending order? First thing, we are going to compare with the hundreds. Then we are going to compare with the tens. And at last, we are going to compare with the ones place value. Okay, so always remember, first you have to compare all the hundred place numbers, then tens, then ones. Okay, yes. Yes, now here comes the question. Yes. Yes, my dear children, you can use the chat box and start writing the answers. So first here, all the numbers, yes, you can see here, first number is 755. So you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Yes. So here you have to first select the small number. Here is the 755, 198, 567, 222, 668. So here the smallest number is, yes, write down in the chat box. The small number, 100 place. Very good. Absolutely right. Yes. 100, 198. Correct. The next number comes in 200. Yes, 200. Yes, this is the first. Then the second number is in 200 place. Yes, 227. Then third one, after 200, 300 is not there, 400 is not there, 500 is there. So what is the number in the 500? 567 is the third answer. Okay. Then after 500, what will come? 600. Yes, here is the number of 600 is there. So fourth number will be 668. 668. Okay, I can't type. Yes. Then the last number, big number is after 600, the number comes 700. Yes, so 755. Yes, so here all the 100 places are different. Yes, so it's very easy to do. Yes, so observe the first 100. Now comes to the next descending order. Yes. So my dear children, you know about descending order. Yes. What is descending order? Yes, descending order is big to small. Very good, my dear children. Yes, all of you write down in the rough note. Okay, we are going to give you time to show your notebook, today's practice sheet. So you write down in the notebook and we are going to give big applause to everyone. Yes, big stars to everyone. So use the rough note. Okay, now here comes. Yes, descending order. Here, what we are going to do, we are going to find the first big number here. First number is 442, 393, 367, 438 and 800. So big number is, so here first we have to see the place value. Here this is in 4, this is 3, this is also 3 and this is again 4. And the last number is 8. So 8 is the big number. So what we will do? We'll first write the 8 number. 800. Now next. Next is small. Which number will come? 400, 400. Oh, here two 400 is there. 442 is there. 438 is there. Now select 42 is big or 38 is big. 42 is big. So our second number is 442. Yes. So what we will write? 442. Then the next number will be obviously 400 place. Yes, only one number is there. What is that? 38. So 438 will be the next number. So it will come under third. So in third box, we are going to write 438. Yes. So first we have to compare the 100 place, then we have to compare the tens place, then ones place. Now here comes the next two number. What are that? 393 and again 300 is there. 367. Now in this we have to select the big number. How we will select? Both are in same 100 place. 300, 300. So what we will do? We will go to the next tens place. What is that in the tens place? 93. Yes. Here is 93 and here next number is 67. Yes. So which one we will select? 93 is the big number in tens place. Yes. So we will write 300. 93. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, you 800.
Yes, okay.
You know, put the 20, ma'am, 800.
It's not visible. 1 second. Now it's visible. 0. 1 second. Vani ma'am, some slide gone. Yes, ma. Vani ma'am. Vani ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, my dear. So the first number is yes. So first number was 800. Now it is Vani ma'am. It's visible.
Visible? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Yes. No. Then the next number is 442. Then the third number is 438. Then next number 393. And the smallest number, this is 367. Yes. So here come. Yes. Vani ma'am, they wrote in the chat box correct answer. Yes, Mummy. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I think you are writing in the rough note. Okay, we will see the rough note. Okay.
Yes, Shahin ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, before that one slide is there, ma'am. Yes, my dear children, 0 is there? Yes. Now tell me, 0 is an even number or odd number, my dear children? Even or odd? 0. Yes, my dear, 0 is an even number. Why it is even, you know? See, in 0, where it will come in tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, all these. And all these are the group of 2. No? Vani ma'am, my voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am, little.
Okay, yes. So 0 is an even number because it's the group of 2. That means pairing. We can pair it 10, 20, 30, 40, all these numbers we can pair and make it group of 2. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Now next. Yes, here is the even number. Okay. This we are going to send you. You can take the printout or you can try to just write down the even number. You are clear? What are the even numbers? 2, 4, yes, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, as there is 10, then 12, 14, 16, then comes 18. Okay, it's, I think it's becoming some stuff.